Bought a Kaido house countertop shelf display from Minigt slash Kaido house. Not sure what to expect, but we will see. Hmm.
Okay, I hope you can see it. Right. See it. Start in the middle. Okay. Another part. This one. This one. GT right here. And we'll get these pieces. Okay, and installation instructions.
Hallelujah. I'm telling you, that was not easy. Okay, now the last thing we have to do. I have 2 plates. I can choose between this one and this one. I'm definitely going for this one. I have to put this up right here. This is the most easiest part. Oh, wait a minute. That's not good. Hope you can see it. I think we have to put all this in here. And then the other side. You see what I'm doing? Yeah. Hey, voila! We got a Kaido House Mini GT display. Already placed a lot of Mini GT, and I don't have that much Kaido House. Also Pop Race. It's also perfect for Pop Race. You don't have to put Mini GT or Kaido House in it. Here are my Kaido House models. See, I don't have many of them. Pop Race. Yeah, I've got some extra space now. A lot better. We never have enough. Okay, so let's see if this big Pop Race one fits in. No, it doesn't. Well, fits like this. But this one fits perfect. It also fits here and here and here. Yeah, that's logical. And I'm going to place it like this so I can see what I can. So this one also got a Mini GT right here. This one is a Porsche. Put the Porsches right here. Lambo. Now I'm going to take this one right here. So that one right here. Got another one of this still in the package. Also got this one still in the package. Old Pop Race doesn't fit. Porsche goes here. Let's see what's in it. So another Porsche by Pop Race. Another Porsche. Another Lambo. Another Lambo. Another Porsche. Another Porsche. Porsche and a Lambo. Volkswagen, still in the package. This one is also still in the package. No, this one is not still in the package. Put that one right here. This one right here. Another Land Rover. Another Land Rover still in the package. More Lambos. Porsche. You can see I like Porsches. So I think it's best to do this one goes here, and then more Porsche go in here. Another Lambo still in the package. Another Lambo. Another Porsche. Bentley. Hey. Bentley. I'm going to put right here next to the other Bentleys. have to go in here. Shmee. Oh, that fits. That's cool. And I can put that one right here. And then we still have plenty of room left. Yes, why not? Why not? That doesn't fit. Well, maybe it fits here. I will find a way. And this one, I'm also going to place somewhere. Let's find a nice spot for it, maybe over there. We will see. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll see you later. Bye.